This is Sankalp, and today I am going to unbox the new Samsung Galaxy Z3. This is a Tizen OS device, the Samsung proprietary OS. So this is a dual SIM device, and it is a 5-inch Super AMOLED 294 ppi display consisting, and it has a 8 megapixel and 5 MP camera. So let us quickly unbox the device. Let us see the specifications. It is a 3G device, HSPA plus, and consisting of 1.3 gigahertz quad core processor. It has a Super AMOLED HD display, that is a 1280 by 720 pixel display, and it has a 8 megapixel and 5 megapixel camera. Also, it has a 8 GB of internal memory, out of which approx 5 or 4.5 GB is user available. It's a dual SIM device. So the price quoted on the box is 8,900 rupees. It is visible, and you can get it from the market in about 7,000 or so. So let us quickly unbox. So this is the device itself. Looks very slim. So let's keep this aside and see rest of the contents. So here we are getting the quick start guide, user manual, and SAR rating. So let's see the SAR rating. So it has a SAR rating of 1.785 watt per kilogram. So here we are getting a charger, Samsung charger, and it has an output of 1 amp hour. It's a 5-volt charger. Also we are getting a data cable for data syncing and charging, and earphone. These are not in-ear style, these are the normal basic earphones, and it's not gold plated also. So nothing else. So let's put all the things aside and see the mobile. So this is a 5-inch device and consisting of a Tizen OS. So this device is a 5-inch 720 pixel 1280 by 720 pixel display. So here is the Samsung logo, the earpiece. These are the proximity and accelerometer sensors, and on the front it has a 5 megapixel autofocus camera. Here these are the home button, and on the right we are having a power lock and unlock button, and this is the tab to open the back cover. And on the top we are having a 3.5 headphone jack, and on the left we are having the volume rockers, and on the bottom we are having the main microphone and the USB port for charging and data syncing. On the back it has a dual SIM logo, and here is the speaker out grill, and this is the 8 megapixel autofocus camera and flash. So let's pull out the back cover. So it has a battery. Let's see the battery. It has a battery of 2600 mAh. 2600 mAh battery. This is a proper dual SIM device, and we can insert micro SD card of up to 128 GB. This is good. So this is a cheap device, and it is not Android. Be careful. It is a Tizen OS device. Let's switch on the phone and see how it's look like. Let's see, it's showing that Tizen, powered by Tizen. So the device is on. Let's adjust the brightness so that you can see it clearly. So let's see the OS version. About device, and about device, and let's see about the software. So it's a Samsung Z3, and OS model number is SMZ300H, and the OS version is 2.4.4.3. So you will be getting the updates according to the time. So let's see the storage. Battery backup is quite good. And what about the storage is out of 8 GB we are getting 5 GB of data usable, and the RAM is, as we said, 1 GB, out of which I have installed some applications, and out of that we are getting 599 MB of RAM is free, so it's using less RAM and working fine. So that's adjust the brightness. We are getting accelerometer proximity sensor here. It's weighing of 137 gram with battery, and it is a dual SIM device, and we have the color options of black, silver and gold. So it's a 3G device. It has a screen of 5 inches, which is of 294 ppi. So this is the quick unboxing and specifications of the new Samsung Galaxy Z3. Do let me know if you have any comments in the comment section below, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. This is Sankalp signing off.